Hello my dear students, welcome back in S Academy Digital Classes, and today I'm going to discuss about the data visualizations, and this is the plot with the pie plot, and we are going to learn about the something more interesting fact related to the plot function. पिछले वीडियो में हमने जाना था कि हाउ वी कैन यूज द प्लॉट फंक्शंस, और हम प्लॉट फंक्शंस में कलर कोड कैसे चेंज कर सकते हैं, हम उसके लाइन स्टाइल को कैसे चेंज कर सकते हैं, और हम लाइन के विड्थ को कैसे चेंज कर सकते हैं. Today I'm going to talk about how to change the marker type, how to change the marker type, how to change the marker size, and how to change the marker age color or marker color. You can say the age color and marker color both are the same things, so you will change these things. So let's move on the video, let's move on the content, and just first we are trying to understand the marker type. As I told you कि जब कभी भी आप प्लॉट करते हो तो आप x and y एक्सिस की वैल्यू देते हो, और जो आप x and y एक्सिस की वैल्यू देते हो तो वो एक कोऑर्डिनेट जनरेट होता है. उस कोऑर्डिनेट पे एक पॉइंट इंडिकेट किया जाता है, एक पॉइंट किया जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड मार्कर, एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द डेटा पॉइंट्स. अब है कि वी कैन चेंज द डिजाइन ऑफ द पॉइंट्स. बाय डिफॉल्ट तो वो डॉट होता है जो आपको दिखता नहीं है, वो लाइन के विड्थ का ही होता है, लाइन के साइज का होता है, तो यू कांट रिकॉग्नाइज देयर कि ठीक है वहां पे है. आपको ग्राफ लाइन को देख के, लाइन के पैटर्न को देख के तो आप समझ जाते हो कि यस यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट्स है और यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट्स है, क्योंकि लाइन कुछ इस तरीके से जा रहा होता है, फिर इस तरीके से कर्व हो जाता है, फिर टर्न हो जाता है, तो कुछ इससे आपको पता चल जाता है कि दीज आर द मार्कर पॉइंट्स. बट आई वांट समथिंग डिफरेंट मार्कर हियर, आई वांट समथिंग डिफरेंट सिंबल हियर, सो दैट आई कैन इजिली रिकॉग्नाइज, हम इसको रिकॉग्नाइज कर सके, हम आसानी से इसको जान सके. तो टू हाईलाइट द मार्कर टाइप आपको यहाँ पे मार्कर के बारे में जानना होगा. तो एक चीज जानिए, डेटा पॉइंट्स बीइंग प्लॉटेड ऑन ग्राफ चार्ट्स आर कॉल्ड मार्कर. अब आपके पास प्लॉट फंक्शंस के अंदर मार्कर नाम की एक एट्रीब्यूट होती है, दैट एट्रीब्यूट्स, और यू कैन से दैट इज द आर्गुमेंट. मार्कर आर्गुमेंट होता है, और प्लॉट फंक्शंस जो हमें ये परमिशन देती है कि वी कैन चेंज द टाइप ऑफ द मार्कर. बट फॉर दैट यू हैव टू स्पेसिफाई द एप्रोप्रिएट मार्कर टाइप वैल्यू. आई विल टेल यू कि हमें कौन सी मार्कर टाइप वैल्यू यूज करनी चाहिए. द नेक्स्ट इज द मार्कर साइज. The size attribute, marker size attribute of the plot means the argument, you can say the marker size argument of a plot function allows you to change the size of the marker. This will change the size of the marker by specifying the appropriate value in points. Means you can specify the what is the size, means this is the one size of marker, this is the another size of the marker, so you can change it, you can change it. And then is the marker edge color. कि what is the meaning of marker edge color? The boundary of the marker, ये जो लाइन होते हैं जो मार्कर की बाउंड्री बनेंगे, ये इसको हम एज कलर कहते हैं. तो दिस कलर यू कैन चेंज, दिस कलर यू कैन चेंज. ये अंदर का कलर इट्स टोटली रिलेटेड विद द लाइन कलर. ठीक है, तो इस कलर को आप चेंज कर सकते हो. फॉर दैट यू हैव टू यूज मार्कर एज कलर आर्गुमेंट ऑफ और एट्रीब्यूट ऑफ द प्लॉट फंक्शन. ठीक है, तो हमने जाना है कि हम कैसे मार्कर के टाइप को चेंज कर सकते हैं, हम मार्कर साइज को कैसे चेंज कर सकते हैं, और मार्कर कलर को कैसे चेंज कर सकते हैं. फॉर द मार्कर टाइप वी हैव टू यूज द मार्कर पैरामीटर्स, मार्कर आर्गुमेंट. फॉर द साइज वी हैव टू यूज द मार्कर साइज आर्गुमेंट्स, एंड फॉर द कलर वी हैव टू यूज द मार्कर एज कलर. तो तीन आर्गुमेंट्स के बारे में हमने जाना, और अभी हम चलते हैं इसको देखते हैं. इस ग्राफ में देख लीजिए, ये मार्कर टाइप है, दिस इज द मार्कर टाइप. तो मार्कर टाइप देखिए यहाँ पे ये डायमंड शेप में है, दिस इज द डायमंड शेप. ओके, आप इसको रेक्टेंगल भी कह सकते हो, बट इट इज लुक्स लाइक अ डायमंड हियर. ठीक है, सेकंड थिंग देखिए इसका साइज, इसका नॉर्मल पॉइंट से जब लाइन के विड्थ को अगर कंपेयर करो और इसके साइज को देखो तो समथिंग मोर हियर. थर्ड आप देख सकते हो इसके कलर को, कि इसके अलग अलग कलर हैं. तो देखिए मार्कर टाइप क्या है, यहाँ पे डायमंड है. मार्कर साइज क्या है, यहाँ पे 4 है. मार्कर साइज क्या दे रखा है, मैंने 4 दे रखा है. और मार्कर एज कलर क्या दे रखा है, रेड दे रखा है. एंड दिस ऑल डायमंड आर द मार्कर. तो आप ये प्रॉपर्टीज कैसे चेंज करेंगे, आप प्लॉट फंक्शंस में ये चेंजेस कैसे लाओगे, तो चलो इसको मैं दिखाता हूं आपको एग्जांपल्स के थ्रू. सो मूव ऑन दिस. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि वो वैलिड मार्कर टाइप क्या है हमारे पास. अगर हम प्लॉटिंग करना चाहते हैं तो हम क्या क्या मार्कर टाइप यूज कर सकते हैं. दिस इज द पॉइंट मार्कर, दिस इज द पॉइंट मार्कर, दिस इज द पिक्सल मार्कर, मींस यू कैन पुट द कॉमा हियर, इट विल द पिक्सल मार्कर. दिस इज द ओ सर्कल मार्कर, अगर आप सर्कल मार्कर लगाना चाहते हो तो यू कैन यूज द स्मॉल ओ. दिस इज द प्लस मार्कर, मींस प्लस साइन के लिए एक्स मार्कर, डी फॉर डायमंड मार्कर, and the capital D is the diamond marker, small d is the thin diamond marker. Look at this. The next is the S for the square marker, small p is the pentagon marker, a strict is the star marker, H is the hexagon 1, capital H is the hexagon 2. 1 is the tri down marker, 2 is the tri up marker, 3 is the try left marker, 4 is the try right marker. मैं सभी को लगा के भी दिखाता हूं आपको so that you can easily understand. V for the triangle down marker, caret symbol is the triangle up marker, left arrow is the less than sign is the triangle left marker, greater than sign is the triangle right marker, and the pipe filter operator, pipe symbol is the vertical line marker, and a hyphen, that is the horizontal line marker. तो इस तरीके से आप देख सकते हो टोटल कितने मार्कर आपको मिल जाते हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22. There are 22 markers type are available. तो आप इसमें से कोई भी मार्कर टाइप यूज कर सकते हो अपने ग्राफ के लिए. Okay, अभी हम इसको देखेंगे. Now how you will use, what is the syntax of using this plot function, changing the type, size and color. This is the plot method, this is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate, this is the line color of the line, this is the marker. Now here you will give the marker, this is the marker argument. Now you have to give the marker type here inside the single quote. You have to write this. This is the size, you have to give the appropriate pixel value here, and this is the marker age, you have to give the appropriate color code here, and this close parenthesis. So now look at this example. This is the matplot. You all know better कि अगर आपको pyplot को use करना है तो first you have to import. So I have imported here matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Now I have a data sequence a and b. This is the x and this is the y coordinate. Now I am passing here a and b. This is the k, that is the color code. Now I am giving the line width. Line width is the 5. So that now I am giving the line style. The line style is solid. Now I am giving the marker. Marker is the D, that is the diamond shape. Now I am giving the marker size is the 10, and then I am giving the marker age color is red. Then I'm going to change the x level, and then I'm going to change the y level, and then I'm going to show the grid here also, and then I'm showing the plot. So this is the last statement of the plot. Don't forget to put the plot dot show, otherwise you are not able to look at this. So now look at this. If I'm using this, how it's showing this. This is the graph here. So this graph you will get on the basis of this data. So this is the 1 2, 1 is the x coordinate, 2 is the y coordinate. So this is the first marker. Second is the 2 4, so 2 is the here, 4 is the y, this is the second point. 3 9, look at this, this is the 3, and this is the in between 8 and 9, this is the 9, and then 4 16, look at this 4, and this is the 16 here. Okay, so this way you can design your graph. So now you understand. So now I'm going to change the figure. I'm going to show this on the basis on the idly. So मैं अपने Python को start कर लेता हूँ. So let's move on the Python. तो आई हैव स्टार्टेड माय आइडली. देखो मेरा आइडली स्टार्ट हो गया. मैं यहाँ पे न्यू फाइल लेता हूँ. मैं न्यू फाइल के साथ कोडिंग कर सकता हूँ. मैं चाहूँ तो सिंगल कोडिंग के साथ भी काम, मतलब इंटरेक्टिव मोड में भी काम कर सकता हूँ. मैं भी आपको दिखाता हूँ कि कैसे करना है. मैं नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू राइट द इंपोर्ट स्टेटमेंट matplotlib डॉट pyplot as plt. ठीक है. और now I'm going to create the x coordinate. So I'm writing here x equal to, I'm going to give any value here 2 4 1 6. Okay, so that I want a zigzag line like something. Y is equal to, now I'm giving the y coordinate. Y I want 3, and then I want 6, then I want 2, then I want 4. Okay, so this is the 4 value I have given here. Now I'm going to write the plot method, py.plot, plt.plot, and the first I have to give the x coordinate, then I'm giving the y coordinate, then I'm going to give the line color. Okay, so line color, or you can say the line width. Line color I'm going to give here GG for the green. Okay, and then I'm going to show the line width. If you want to give the line width, you can give the line width. Line width is equal to, I'm giving here line width is equal to 5, and then I'm giving the line style. Line style is, it is not necessary to give the line style, but I'm giving the line style is the dash. Okay, and then I'm giving the marker. I'm giving the marker, and then I have so many types of the marker. I'm writing here one here, and then this is the marker type. Now I want to give the marker color, so I'm writing here marker color. Marker color is equal to, I'm giving here that is green, so I'm giving here blue marker color. No, this is the marker size. First I have to give the marker size, so marker size I'm giving here, and the line width is the 5, so marker size I'm going to give the 10, and then I'm writing here marker is color. So I'm giving the marker is color, and this is I'm giving the blue here, and now I'm close this. Okay, so and then I'm going to use the plot dot x level. I'm going to labeling the x axis, and this is I'm writing here x axis. I'm writing here x-axis. Okay, now I'm going to level the y-axis, so I'm writing here level, and this time I'm writing here y-axis. What I'm writing, y-axis. I'm closing this. So this much is over. I'm not going to do anything. I don't want to show the grid here. Do you want to show the grid, then you will write plot.grid, and if you don't want to write, then inside this you have to pass the value to argument, and then I'm writing here plot.show. Now I have to save my code, so I'm going to save my code. You know better where I will save. You all understand this because so many in every videos I'll show this thing. So now I'm going in the matplot. This is my matplot, and this is my line graph. So I'm going to make line graph. Okay, and I'm giving the number line graph example 1. I'm giving the line graph example 2 because last video I already shown you. So now I'm going to execute this code, run module. There is a something mistake. What the mistake? I forget to put the comma here. That's why I'm getting this mistake. Again changing the error, removing the errors, and now running the code after saving, and you will get your graph here. So wait, it will take some time because it's importing first, and now it's imported, and look at this how the graph is formed. Okay, so this is the graph which is based on this. Now I'm going to check the data, and I'm going to compare the graphs because 2 3. So this is the first, it's a drawn 1 2 2 3. 2 3 is here. Okay, it's a so zigzag, and this is the 4 6. Then the 4 6 4 6 point is there. This is the 2. First is to start from here, then move here, then it goes here, and then it goes this side. So now I'm going to change this data. So I'm going to write here 5 2 so that the line will be drawn something differently. I'm saving this, and now I'm going to change. This is the line color is the green, line width is the 5, line style is this, marker size I have 10. I'm going to change the marker type. I'm going to write here marker type. You can give this s, small s I'm giving here, and the marker size is good. I'm saving the code and running the code. Again I'm going to close this output. Okay, so again I'm executing this. What changes I have done? I have done the changes. I have written 2 4 5. So it's going in an increasing order. Okay, so graphs look certain, and the another thing I have changed here, the marker type. I've changed the marker type also. So look at the output after this. Now it's looking something like this. This is the square. This is the square. A square. Okay, and you can see the edge color is the blue here. You can see this graph properly. Look at this. This is the edge color. It is in blue. This is another marker point, data point. This is another data point. This is another point. Now you can look at this. This is the line width. You can change the line width. You can execute the code again if you want to do this. I'm saving it. I'm closing this. Now I'm going to change the marker type because so many markers type are available. I'm just going to show you the marker type. Look at this marker type. There are a list of the marker type. You can put any types of the marker. You can put plus, you can put x, you can put D, you can put up, down, 2 3 4, less than, hash, anything. You can give a square, pentagon. Now this time I want pentagon marker, so I'm going to start my idly, and I'm going to change it. Instead of s, I'm writing here p. I'm saving this. I'm running this code, and look at this, the marker type I have changed. So this time look, this is the pentagon. Okay, I'm going to change the color of this marker edge color. It's a blue color, is approximately not visible for me, so I'm going to change the marker edge color. Instead of blue, I'm going to write red, so it's a becomes to something attractive. You can say attractive and impressive, and you can easily identify. So look at this pentagon. Getting my point? So this way you can you can change the marker type, you can change the marker color, you can change the marker line edge, line width, also marker line size. Now I'm going to do something more changing here. This is the marker size I have written here 10. So now I'm going to write the marker size 2. I'm writing the marker size 2. Okay, and now again I'm executing so that you will see the another graph, and look at this marker type 2. What happened with this size? Because line width is the something bigger value, so that's why it looks like this. Now I'm going to change it. I'm going to remove the line size. I'm going to remove the line width column. I don't want to use this attribute, this parameters here. So now the line is the default line. You are getting the default line, and then you will look at this. Okay, and because you have given the size is the 2, so it's a marker size is the 2, so it's a looks a very small. It's a looks a very small. We can zoom it. We can zoom it. Look at this. I'm zooming this. I'm zooming this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I'm zooming this. This is the zoomer. Okay, these tools you are getting here. So now I'm going to zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. Okay, I'm clicking it. I'm clicking here. Okay, this is the zooming. Okay, so zoom to the rectangle, XY axis, control to fix aspect. Okay, so this way you can zoom it. Okay, now I'm going to again run the code. I'll check it. It's coming in the default size. Yeah, it's coming with the default size. Okay, fine. So this way you can create your plot, and you can change the type, size and color. Everything is possible here. There is some special behavior of the line charts plot. And what is the plot functions having a special? We can combine the marker type with the color code. We can combine the marker type with the color code. For example, BD. If I have written the BD in this way, then B is the stands for the line color and D is the stands for the marker type. Is the type. In this, marker color is the similar to the line color. Marker color is the similar to the line color. So you can write the line color with the marker type as a one argument just after the y-axis, and then you can give the ls type like this. You can look, we can also specify the separate marker color. Okay, if you have not, because I have not written here marker is color at this point, so this time the marker color and the line color both are the same. But if you written here marker is color, then you will get the separate marker color here. Okay, so this is the something special behavior that you will get with the plot functions. There's so many. Look at this. I have written here a small code here. This is the x-axis, y-axis, and this is the rx. So R stands for the red and X stands for the X. This is the marker type. This is the marker type. So look at this marker. It looks like a plus sign. Now I am showing the another code. At this time, you can observe this. The edge of the marker is also red color because the line color is the red here. Now look at here. The line color is the K. I have written here K. Okay. And then I am given the X here. So this time, and the marker edge color is the green. Marker edge color is the green. This time it's a not K. This figure is not on the basis of K. This figure is based on the R only. So look at this. This I have done the green, and you will observe that the edge color is gets changed here. Okay, now I'm going to show the same thing with the help of the Python. So now I'm going to change this code, and first I'll zoom it. I'm going to change this code, and now I'm going to copy this code first, Control C and Control V, and I'm going to make a So this time inside of G with the G, I'm going to write here O. With the G, I'm giving the right O. And the marker type, I'm going to remove this marker type from here. As well as I'm not going to give the marker size, or you want to give, you can give the marker size. I'm not giving this time. Okay, line size is also not given. So now I'm going to run this code, and you can observe the code. Just I have given only. So look, for the circle, and the color of the marker you can observe, this is the green here. So now I'm going to make this line comment. I'm going to make this line comment because I don't want to draw the two plots at the same type. And now I'm going to change this and press this, and here I'm going to change the marker color. I'm going to change the marker is color. Marker is color. You are free to use the things properly, and this time I'm giving the red color of the marker because line is the green and I want a red color of the marker. So look at this way is also. So this is the flexibility of the plot functions. You can use the line color as well as marker type all together inside the single code just after the y-axis. Okay, so this is about the something special behavior of the plot function. Now line chart, there is something if it does not mention the line style. If we not mention the line style with the line color or marker type string, this is the very interesting thing you have to remember, because this concept we are going to learn with the scatter chart also. Okay, so be careful. Okay, if you are not writing the line style with the line and color code, the Python will only plot the markers. It does not plot the line. It does not plot the line. So these things you have to remember. Look at this. This is the import matplotlib. This is the my import matplotlib is here, and now this is the x-axis, y-axis, and I have given in this much here. I have not written the line style here. I'm not given the line style here. So what happened in this case, you can observe the graph is showing only the marker type. It does not showing the any connecting line. Through that you can connect it. This connecting line is not there. Okay, so this is called, this is in the next video I will tell you, this is called a scatter chart also. Okay, so I'll just show you this through the example, through the Python example. It's showing that if I'm going to remove this, I'm not giving this, I'm not giving this, and the other things is there. Only I have sorry, I'm going to first Control Z, and I'm going to copy this code. I'm going to copy this code, and I'm going to paste it, and here I'm going to make this comment. And now I'm going to remove these things here, so I can run the code like this way. And now look at here what happened. These are the points only. You are getting the only plots here, points here. You are not getting the line. So that is the things you have to remember. If you are not mentioned the ls. Achha, now I'm going to change one more thing. I'm not going to write anything here. And I'm giving the only the color of this green color, and I'm not mentioning the marker type here. So I'm not mentioning the marker type. So 1 minute, wait. I'm going to copy this code here. Why I'm going to change in this code? I'll just show you one thing. That is the simple things is there, and that you have to remember always. आपको ध्यान रखना चाहिए इन चीजों के बारे में कि how you will do this, and now I'm going to remove this whole part from here. Okay, and now I'm run this code. Then there is no problem. Graph is drawn, plot is drawn, and look at this, line is drawn here. Only the problem is that if I'm adding any color code, I'm adding any marker type with the color code. In that case, you can observe that, and you have not given the ls, you have not mentioned the line style. In that case, you can observe the graph is shown only the data points. It does not plot a line. So this is the mandatory part. If you are using this, you have to provide the line type also. You have to provide the line style also. Otherwise, this will not work. Okay, I have given the wrong data, line style. So I'm giving the dot, and this, I think dot and dash is there. I have to check it. Might be wrong there. Yeah, it's a working. Okay, so this way you have to give the line style, and if you are giving the line style, it's draw the line. Otherwise, it will not draw the line. It will show only the marker. Okay, so something is this. Look at this. The same examples I have shown here. This is the last example. In this, I have shown you the given the marker style, and marker is color is given. That's good. Color code, line color code is given, is good. But look at this. There is no line is. Okay, so this is about the today video. In the next video we will talk something more interesting about the, I think the next video is the based on the scatter chart. So next video we will talk about the scatter chart. I hope you understand through this. If you like this video, then don't forget to click on the like button, share the video, and if you learn something through this and you did not subscribe my channel, you please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. Okay, bye bye, take care.